wondered how to prepare smartly for your class 10th exams without getting overwhelmed? I got the solution. The Oswald Books for Class 10 Student is a complete exam companion in itself designed just for students like us. So, here is the book I got and let's talk about its feature and let's know is it really worth buying or not.
So this is the class 10 CBSE previous year solved question papers which is updated as per latest CBSE syllabus. Here you will get English, Maths, Science and Social Science. First of all, this book gives you detailed explanation for every single question. So you are not just memorizing answer, you are actually understanding the concept behind them. Secondly, it includes 3 years of in-depth topic-wise trend analysis. That means you will know which chapters are most important, which types of questions are repeated and how to prepare smartly. Third, this book is completely updated according to the latest NCERT syllabus. And one more super helpful thing, all the out of syllabus topics are clearly highlighted so you don't waste time studying unnecessary content. Overall, the Oswald Solved Question Paper book is a must-have resource if you want to strengthen your preparation and score high in the board exams. And you will get different subjects which is divided at different sections, and you will get 2016 till 2025 solved question paper as well. Let's just talk about the workbooks. Here comes Maths. It includes CBSE previous year questions, MCQs, very short answer and long answers, competency based questions and removable worksheets which you could remove while practicing. Whether you are studying the standard or basic version, this workbook includes all the things like formula based questions, HOTS and step by step solution. It helps you practicing in a bound way time. Now I have this NCERT exemplar और ये set of 2 में आता है and I have already uploaded a short on this, so go and check that, in which I have already told about its features so you could go and purchase it. According to me, this book is literally worth buying because I personally found it really helpful while revising before my periodic test. It saved a lot of time and cleared my doubts.
These are the books which I got, and if you want to purchase this book, then the link will be in the description box. Go and check that, and don't forget to use my coupon code Aradhya10 for having some extra discount. Until then, take care, stay focused. Hare Krishna.